dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Ooh, someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops high above the chimney.
And part of gift sharing is their gifts to you from their day. Today for you is their gift.
Dream that you dare to, oh why can't oh, someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top, that's where.
It's very nice. I'm very grateful for bikes. So, thank you.
A gift of a bicycle is more than just a toy sometimes for some of our families. The gift of a bicycle is also a means of transportation. Several of our families don't even own vehicles. They don't own their own cars.